This video demonstrates how to customize an AI model using the Transfer Learning tool on the AI Navigator. Before starting, please watch AI Navigator tutorials number 1 and number 2. The corresponding URLs are provided in the summary. The AI Navigator not only allows you to import and run AI apps, but also to customize AI models. This video introduces how to customize AI models using the RZV AI Transfer Learning tool for RZV AI applications. In this demonstration, an AI model provided by Renesas that classifies 31 species of fishes is customized to classify another 4 species of fishes. To customize an AI model, please follow the 5 operation steps below. This demonstration shows how to customize with these steps. After completing the configuration of the Transfer Learning tool on the AI Navigator, please click Transfer Learning to start the tool. In the RZV AI Transfer Learning tool, the steps to customize an AI model are described on the top view, and please follow them. Let's start customizing the AI model. First, specify the project that contains the target AI model. Click Project Details. The target project is automatically set by the Transfer Learning tool plugin. Then click Submit Selection. Next, set data for customization. Go to the Dataset view. Specify the dataset directory path that contains the required files. After that, click Next. The necessary parameters are already set. Click Submit Selection. When submitting the data for customization, you can confirm it like that. Start customizing the AI model. Open the training page and set the necessary parameters for training. Here, the explanation of each parameter is omitted. Then, click Submit Selection and start training. When this window pops up, the AI model training is complete. The RZV AI Transfer Learning tool also allows you to test the created AI model. Let's try it. Go to the Inference view and upload a test image. Review the result inferred by the created AI model. As you can see, the created AI model can correctly classify the fishes. That's all for how to customize an AI model with the AI Navigator. After customization, convert the customized AI model, build an AI application with the AI model, deploy it to the target board, and then run it.